Imagine having a tool that not only write code for you, but also automate complex tasks, saving you hours of work. What if I told you that the DeepSeek R1 models that you can do all of this work and more, whether you are developers or business owners or just someone who loves tech, or you want to do something surprise. The DeepSeek R1 is here to help your work. In these tutorials, I'll show you how to use DeepSeek R1 and automate tasks, generate code, and even build software, all in just few minutes. Let's come with me. So DeepSeek R1 is an advanced AI-powered tool designed to help you automate tasks and generate code and build software effortlessly. It's like having a personal developer at your fingerprints. You can use it to create calculator, automate repetitive tasks, generate HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and Python codes, any codes that you are looking for. And then you integrate into your exciting workflow. And also they give you to the preview to see the code that is it suitable for you and is it made for your desire. So it is super beginner friendly and also for expert. You can do whatever you like to automate by using DeepSeek R1. Also that their API is very cheap. So there is a big questions now. You might be thinking that how is DeepSeek R1 is different from OpenAI's. So while OpenAI is a general purpose for AI, DeepSeek R1 is especially optimized for developers and businesses. It is designed to generate code, automate tasks, and integrate seamless into your development. DeepSeek R1 also offers a more focused approach, allowing you to run it locally on your computer using tools like Ollama, giving you more controls and privacy. Plus, DeepSeek interface is tailored for your developer, making it easier to build and test softwares. So it might be helpful for you to check with me and see how it's go. And hope you like it full tutorials. Let's go with me. Let me show you how to run DeepSeek R1 locally on your computer using Ollama. First, open your terminal that I already opened from my terminal and install Ollama if not. I already installed my Ollama, so it's super easy. Just go to the Chrome and search for ollama.com, and simply you can download from here. It's down there is options you can download for Mac that I done. There is a window you can download as well and links, so you can download from here easily and set up your own terminals. So let's move to the terminal again. Here is my terminal now. So once installed, you can pull the DeepSeek R1 models and start interact with that directly from your terminal. For example, you can ask to generate code or a specific task like building a calculator for product profit or anything that you can ask, and simply type your request. The DeepSeek R1 will generate everything for you. Let's do it now and see how it works. So I'm going to type now. So after you installed Ollama, you can simply go to their models. Here is a model and press on the DeepSeek R1. So I'm going to run 7B1 because this one is a fast, and I'm going to run this on my computers and see, and I'll walk you through how it's run and how you can do it. And paste it and run it. It'll take a few minutes because it's already I run this morning, so that's why it's working right now. A while to kickstart the project. So you need to run this model on your terminal first, and then it'll take you maybe 15 to 20 minutes to come to this point. Then simply I say hello and to check it that how it's working. Is it working or not? Okay. Hello. Let's see. Thinking hello, how I can assist you today. That's great. So see how they're working now in my terminal. So now I'm going to ask for any specific task that I want to build. So now I'm going to ask this DeepSeek that please can you help me can you help me to build a profit calculator for my product. As I'm running now, so just give your prompt and they will give you answer. Yes, so look at that, they're starting writing the answer that alright, the user want to build profit calculator for their product. First I need to figure out what exactly they are looking for. They might not have specific more information, so I'll start by asking them provide the necessary input that calculator should include. Okay, that way I can ensure that calculator cover all the importance. Next, that while setting up basic calculator is straightforward. So I'm just waiting for the full reply, and then I'll ask for my code. I'll ask for HTML and HTML, CSS, and JS for run to the locally. So then I'll copy the code, and I can go to the liveweb.com and show you how my software comes out. Okay, so that's done. Now they give me plan and everything that how can I do. Now I'm going to ask them, please give me HTML, CSS, and HTML, CSS, and JS code for build full functional app. So now they're giving me answer that what I'm actually looking for. Then they will give me the code, and then I just copy and go to the live web and to see that how the code is working or not. I should be fine. I tested this morning. It's not that advanced that you build on the, not that it's advanced like Cloud or Cursor AI to give you code to build your full functional apps, but still is okay because you can automate whatever you want. But because it's going to developing, and hope you'll come with better versions. But still is competing with the 0.0 model. They're reaching my code now, and now I can go to the liveweb.com and let's see how this code works. I come to this one that is called live web, so I can test my code and that see how it works. Yeah, so you can see that I got my simple profit calculator. So I can select anything, I can write anything, total revenue 5,000 something, cost code, sold, operation expense, something I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, it's giving me the net profit. So yes, so this is very simple that you can do that. You can build anything that we need, any softwares, any apps, anything we can automate literally. You can see that I run on the local terminals and I built this one. It's looking fine. I think, and maybe in futures you can add color things and that will be designed for you and functional models. But if you go for further and you ask for next prompt that please add the colorings and those and that your criteria, they will do it. So now we'll move to the DeepSeek platform, directly to the DeepSeek.com platform. Then we'll test in there as well. So back onto the DeepSeek. So simply type DeepSeek.com. Yeah. So we're going to log into the DeepSeek.com now, and we'll test DeepSeek R1 model over there as well. I hope everyone can log in. So just I press on start and they will ask for logging because I already logged in. So then you can see that there is a deep thinking R1, which is the like 0.1 models OpenAI, which is compatible with that. So now I'm going to test the same things in my terminal, whatever I done in my terminal. So now I'm going to say that I want to build a profit calculator, the DeepSeek one, in their platform. So make sure you put the deep thinking, this one. You can see the green buttons in here, green colors light will be there if you press on there. So make sure you press it there and it's on. Okay, so now we're going to paste our prompt there. Can you help me to build profit calculator for my product? I give you simple prompt for the. So they're going to thinking, they start thinking, and they will give me the outlines and everything, structures. Then I'll ask again for HTML, CSS code and JS for to build my softwares. Let's see now. Okay, so they're giving me Python code, but I want to build by the HTML. So am I going to ask them for give me the HTML code to build this? Okay, so now you can see that they give me the all outlines and everything. Now I'm quite happy how they approach. So I'm going to ask simply that please give me HTML and CSS, HTML, CSS and JS to build this app simply. So I'm going to simply type this. Now they are yes, so they're going to take actions and they're going to give me the HTML codes, and I can run it locally on there and see the visual fully functional applications and copy the HTML and CSS code, and you can run on there on other platform like Nextify and create your apps and go for live. You can do any automations, any software you can build that you're thinking. If you're thinking something else, you can do it. Like if you want to build something for your client, you can do it. You don't need a developer to do this, or you don't need to write any single code to do this. Just some technical background needed for to understand the design and understand little code, because if they give something wrong, then you can fix it. So that's all I recommended. So I can run on the DeepSeek and see how the visual things like that. Look at that. Is it fully? I'm really impressed with this. You can see, you can real time, you can watch the result, how they will come, and it should work. See, and this is really interesting. That is, now you can copy this code fully, pressing here and go to the Netlify and start building your apps. Just copy the HTML code and paste it there, and you'll get your apps. Web apps. So this is very simple now, and the code is worked very well. So there you have it. DeepSeek R1 is not just another AI tool. It's a powerful assistant that can help you automate tasks, generate code, and build software.